Wouldn't say that he's only legislating for the Catholics,
Okay.
for Protestants. Being an INC, well, I can uphold the doctrines of the INC, like unity, like, sympathetic to the poor. These are all basic doctrines that apply to the betterment of people. So I wouldn't say that that's a liability for a senatorial aspirant simply because he comes from a religious entity. We have all religions, all candidates profess religions.
If you were to win, Senator, ano pong isusulong po ninyo?
Where do you want me to start? There's so many problems facing this country.
Mamaya po, aabangan po namin kayo. Doon po sa kick-off rally sa San Juan ng PDP. Laban. We have senatorial aspirant Rodante Marcoleta running independently, but joining the kick-off later on. Alright, maraming